Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about list items and different tags of HTML. So let's give a title to this page, my second page, and start with ordered list. We can give any name to this list, but just I am giving this name, let's suppose my routine, and start with the list item li, that wake up, and then breakfast, and getting ready to work, and then work and work. Let's click the file and select reveal in Explorer. Double click the file and here it is, the ordered list 1 2 3 4 5. If we want to change this order list into unordered list, then we have to just replace O with U, so it will become unordered list. This is our unordered list. Let's change this back to ordered list, and we can create multiple hierarchy here. Let's suppose we create this in breakfast unordered list, and in unordered list the list item, let's suppose what to cook, and where are the things, and make breakfast. Let's check this, and here it is. Now let's include this breakfast in the list. We will use this list item and unordered list to these items. So here is the result. We can see that, and the breakfast is in number 2. Let's add a line here. Let's change my routine. And here you can say that it is now the heading. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video, and if you have any question then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.